were that person scrolling the internet looking at different ways to make money online, I need you to listen to this.
I was literally just sitting here thinking about all the ways that digital marketing and e-commerce has literally changed my life.
I've made way more money in less than a week than it would have taken me to make in one full month working 50 to 60 hours a week at a full-time job.
Y'all, what are we doing? 2026, stay-at-home mom, making money from home.
So what are we doing in 2026? Are we doom scrolling? Are we doing the research that we need to do? Are we monetizing online this year? Tell me in the comments, what have you done since January 1st, 2026? Have you been doing your homework?
If you're brand new to digital marketing, you want to make money online, but you don't want to be scammed, you don't want to show your face. Digital marketing is completely doable. You simply are promoting products online, whether that be someone else's product or your own product. You don't need experience, you don't need tech skills, you don't need a fancy computer setup. You just need the internet, your cell phone, maybe a laptop. But you really don't even need that. That's exactly how you get started in digital marketing. First, you're going to pick a niche. Who are you helping? Busy moms, entrepreneurs, college students trying to make a little cash. Be specific. Then you find their biggest pain point. What's keeping them up at night? What problem are they desperately trying to solve? Then you're going to create one product that solves or helps with that problem. It could be a digital toolkit or a mini course, done for you service, or an affiliate offer that genuinely helps. Then you pick one platform to promote it on first. TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, but pick one.
This is part of your homework. Like, do you want to go faceless? Do you want to go face forward? Do you want to promote on Etsy? Do you want to do print on demand? Do you want to do UGC, TikTok shop? What is it that you want to do? And remember this, you are the niche. Whatever kept you up at night, whatever had you struggling, skincare, money, being a single mom, whatever your struggles are, you are the niche. That's how you really get good at promoting yourself, whatever you're promoting, whether it's products or service, consulting, it doesn't matter.
I stopped asking, what if it fails? And asked instead, what if it works? Whatever you focus your attention on, it expands. So if you decide this is not going to work, you might find experiences that aligns with that versus you thinking this is going to work because you made a decision that it will. So I'm deciding, me learning digital marketing, me learning how to earn income online and showing other people how to do so, I'm making the decision that it is going to work. So many other people are getting results. So why can't I? I want to challenge you. If you're starting something new or you have a goal in mind, I want you to think that it's going to work out for you. One way or another, it's going to work out. And move towards that decision with the action that aligns with it.
Asking yourself if this is going to work, if I'm going to fail at this, is the wrong question. You need to get excited and ask yourself, what if this does work? What if I can get out of the job that I'm in? What if I can be available for my children at the events or dance recitals? What if you can move into a better place or get a better car? What if? Those are the kinds of questions you need to ask in the positive sense.
I've made way more money in less than a week than it would have taken me to make in one full month working 50 to 60 hours a week at a full-time job. And it's because I made one choice, that I was going to learn a new skill. I was going to learn digital marketing and affiliate marketing, and I was going to open so many different opportunities for myself, and it's paying off. But I made one choice to start, even though I was terrified. I was broke. I had no idea what I was doing, but I was desperate for something to change.
You were that person scrolling the internet looking at different ways to make money online, I need you to listen to this. As someone who was in your position 12 months ago, wondering what's a scam, what's legitimate, wondering what can work for me, wondering if I'm good enough or cut out for this, wondering who the fuck to trust, and wondering if I should just get a second job with Uber or some delivery place just to supplement my income, please know that it has genuinely changed my entire life. I know it's scary, I know it's tough, but believe me, I was exactly you 12 months ago. Now I get to sit here on the other side of the screen making videos, the same videos that I used to watch to convince myself whether this is real or not. The fact that I get to do that genuinely blows my fucking mind. I know how cliche this sounds, but I genuinely just wish that I found and discovered this sooner, because there's one thing that's a guarantee in all of this, that's a factor of time. Whether you decide to stay in your position or make a change, 6 months is going to go by and you can either have 6 months of progress or 6 months of excuses. As someone who sits here making these videos now, the exact same videos that I used to watch and question whether it was a scam or not. Let me tell you that from the moment I made that decision, nothing in my life has stayed the same. I mean that for the better.
When I started, I was terrified. I didn't want to show my face on camera. I didn't want to post something for it to have 0 views and flop. I've been a teacher for the last 6 years, so this is way out of my comfort zone. But I had to remind myself that being uncomfortable for a couple minutes at a time is nothing compared to the life that I want to build for myself and my family. I invest in learning the skill. And I know that word, invest, can make you feel a little bit nervous, but think of it this way. We pay thousands of dollars just to go to college or university. We go into debt just to get a job that burns us out or barely pays our bills at the end of each month. So yes, I invested in a course that taught me the skills step by step. Education isn't a scam, it's a skill set, and learning these skills is what's giving me options. And number 3, which is the biggest one, digital marketers take action. This one sounds the simplest, but honestly it's the hardest. Most people wait to feel ready, but honestly, you're never going to feel ready. I know I didn't. I had to start scared. I had to start not knowing exactly what I was doing. I had to start while figuring it all out. But taking action is what's moving me closer to my goals. More time with my family, more flexibility, more freedom.
Part of the process of you getting yourself up and running is that you have to get used to being uncomfortable. If this is something new for you, you have to set a new comfort zone. So after you take the action, be ready, because your logical side of the brain is going to say, no, this doesn't make sense. It's going to make all these excuses why you can't invest. It's going to make excuses why you shouldn't keep posting. It's going to give you so many reasons. It's going to go into the survival mode. That's what your brain does. It's going to go into survival mode when it's something new, and it's going to come up with all these excuses why you can't, why you shouldn't. So I strongly suggest that you take a moment back, think about what you want to promote, how you want to promote it, and go all in. Do the best that you can. And trust me, if you need to pivot, don't get down on yourself. I used to do that. Just take a breath, meditate on it, and really, really vision where you want to be in 6 months.
Y'all, what are we doing? 2026, stay-at-home mom, making money from home. What are you doing? What are we not doing? We really need to start thinking about making things benefit us so we can stay home. Daycare is expensive, so expensive. Sorry, you can hear my kids in the background. We're at Home Depot, starting out 2026 with a bang, trying to get that shed fixed. So we have an area away from the kids, the 5 kids that we have. But again, what are we doing? Why are we not using the internet that we doom scroll on to make dollars?
If you've been seeing a bunch of digital marketing stuff on your feed, do not start anything until you watch this video. There are things that people are not telling you. Everyone just says go to Canva and make your own product, but nobody is talking about how hard that actually is. If you've been seriously considering starting something like this is going to be a little bit of a longer video, but lock in. I promise you, you're going to want to hear this before you start. Number 1, you need a good in-demand product. If you are just using ChatGPT to throw something together and hope it sells like crazy, it's not going to. Plus, coming up with the idea in the first place, launching it, creating it, designing it, that takes forever, especially if you have no experience to begin with. And I kept thinking there has to be an easier way. I'm not someone who's super creative, and I didn't have any experience at all. I honestly just wanted something that was actually going to work for a beginner. And after literally so much searching, I found something called affiliate marketing. This is where you sell digital products that are already made for you. You didn't have to create them yourself, and they're already proven to sell. So they're already in demand. And if you're doing this right, you can earn big commissions even as a beginner. Just for reference, I started affiliate marketing on this new account on TikTok a few weeks ago. And after 3 weeks of posting, I made over $4,000 already. And this is literally with no brand deals, no creator fund, and not a single thing that I had to build or create myself.
I was literally just sitting here thinking about all the ways that digital marketing and e-commerce has literally changed my life. You've never known struggle unless you've bounced $20 between your checkings and savings just so something wouldn't take it before you were able to buy whatever you needed, like dinner or gas or whatever.
I didn't think I could do this. I held back. I kept going back and forth. Was I going to invest in myself? I have no sales experience. I try. I just fall flat every time. And I'm like, I can't do this. I'm going to invest in myself just to fail. So I was like, nope, not this time. I'm going to invest in myself because I believe wholeheartedly there is more to life than clocking into a job from 8 to 5 and gathering your paycheck and then still being broke at the end of the month. And I love this course because it goes over how to gain your audience without any experience and kind of how to sell yourself, because you need to be authentic. Because you think about it, in any industry that has sales, you have to be good at selling, let's just say real estate, or you're selling a phone. Like, you need that personality, you need that confidence, but you also need people to build you up to be confident. And these group of ladies build you up so high to be confident in what you are doing.
I didn't come into this space with any experience either. I've been a nurse for years, so I didn't understand the online space, but I'm understanding it more and more each day. But I have to say, SWC they're a fire course. Ran by two sisters. They are really, really good at what they do. Because I was a faceless content creator at first, and then now look at me. I'm here on YouTube showing my face. So I have to give it up to those ladies. They're the one that brought this out of me. I'm sure there's something in you that they can bring out of you. So if you see yourself somewhere in 6 months where you are monetizing online, you are bringing in that bag, the link is in my description, and I have a pin to my comment. To your success, I wish you the best.